So here it comes.
I was feeling real good, so the feeling was right. I came to the party for a different kind of action. The next thing I know, I was doing a Michael Jackson. I was thrown off and my feet got tied. The sucker DJ just ought to be fired. He was flipping and a slipping, even tried back doing. The sucker DJ didn't know what he was doing. Then I said to my girl, this ain't the place to be. Half the fellas only came cause the ladies were free. Then we left the place before the next cup was played. My girl said to me, I'm glad we never paid. So I called Molly Mall on the very next day. Then we cut a rap about the sucker DJ.
Up in the cypher, dropping shells on the pavement. Y'all need fire, my man, I come blazing. Jada never back down, best believe I'ma put you on the spot if you test my steez. Yes indeed, fresh out of S to the V. Son, I spit it laid back while I bless my trees. I'll be yelling on some other shit, all for the fuck of it. If this ain't real, tell me what it is.
This is it.
This is real as it gets.
Right here. Sucker rappers heard we was coming.
Oh please.
Sucker rappers heard we was coming.
Oh please.
Sucker rappers heard we was coming. They jetted out.
Yeah, out of there. This is real as it gets.
That's my specialty.